Hello, it's me Zoa, and today Hello, it's me Zoa, and today I need to talk to you serially for a minute. This episode serious and enlightening. Chapter 1, Genesis. Let's not be shy, get this this bad boy open to Chapter 1, Genesis. Because we need to talk about ManBearPig. Let's have a look. The Firmament, the creation account. Let's have a look, shall we? Right. Just a blurb about it. But basically I'm talking about global warming, the Firmament, ManBearPig, and how we are destroying the firmament that God constructed us. Let me see. Then God said, right, so let there be light. So he activated the Hadron Collider to create Hermos, our universe, into the ratios now, the Higgs boson. So fuse to universe, right, start expanding, and then, right, there we go, and then this happened, separated life and dark called light day, and darkness. Right. And now, let there be a space between the waters to separate the waters of the heaven from the waters of the earth. And that is what happened. God made this space to separate waters from the earth, waters from the heavens. He called it the sky. And then, can't find it in that passage, but to make this quicker, the firmament of Genesis 1 is solid. You go, it's a solid dome. But there we are. It is actually the point, because it's a solid dome. Right. This is the passage I was looking for, yeah. Yeah, so that's the part I was talking about, where he separated between the heavens, well, the sky and the earth. Well, space, outer space and inner space are separated by the firmament. Yeah. Right, now the firmament is, if we look at this global warming diagram here, or even any one of them, take your bloody pick, there's the firmament. The firmament from the Bible is actually our atmosphere, our ionosphere, our stratosphere, our ozone layer. So that is the physical firmament that God constructed us. So that's again where science meets religion. There is God's firmament. That was put there to protect us. But guess what? With us burning fossil fuels, with us abusing the planet and listening to the devil, what are we doing? We have put holes in that firmament of God's. That firmament. You know, that protective barrier right there, that science has got right there, and religion has got right there. The same barrier. Global warming. What's going to happen? Exactly. Sea levels rise. The holes in the ozone layer allow the waters of the heavens, in other words, all the clouds in the sky. Oh, and we're looking at another Noah scenario. Why do you think Noah had a time portal, a stargate, a wormhole? going to the fourth dimension with God in heaven, because that's in the fourth dimension. You have to specify where they go, but that's not the point. I'm not talking about Stargates, I'm talking about the Firmament. And the reason why I said ManBearPig is because Matt and Trey Parker, that's Dawn Trey Parker, it's not Southpark, done the Stream Wars, and they put ManBearPig back. And ManBearPig represents global warming. And come on, I'm here in the UK and it's the hottest it's ever been. It's like 33 degrees Celsius, or thinking 48 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe higher. I'm not sure the degree Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion, but that's probably about right. But it's meant to hit 40 degrees Celsius by the weekend, so convert that to Fahrenheit as you will. And that's all because we are destroying that firmament that God put above the planet, that physical dome that stops that. All them extra greenhouse gases are like, say you've got a lens that's focusing the light of the sun at the planet at the right consistency, and we've just made that lens too thick by adding more greenhouse gases. And because it also holds in the ozone layer part of the firmament, more of the harmful UV rays are now punching through, and because they can't escape because the focusing lens is too thick with the greenhouse gases, it's just going bouncing off the inside of the firmament back at the planet, as it's demonstrated here in this scientific diagram. See, there's actual factual science evidence to prove that God has created a firmament, and we have been destroying it all along, being ignorant to the fact. Ignorant. Not wanting to believe it. Just because you can't usually see it, it does not mean it's not there. Believe you me, now there's the evidence of global warming and the firmament all in one neat little package, just like this skull-shaped meteorite with a fossil of an alien in it, with etchings of a Pleiades star cluster on it, an Atlantean letter I, etc, etc. Just as ironclad as that, it's just as ironclad as that, our atmosphere, our ozone layer, our ionosphere. All of that is the firmament that God constructed for us, and we are destroying it by punching holes in it. That is why wormwood, the asteroid, is going to hit Earth, because the atmosphere layer that God put there as part of our firmament, which usually help make sure asteroids burned up before they hit the planet in the atmosphere. But because we messed with the firmament, because we thought we were greater than God, because we thought we were greater than God, we have messed the firmament up, that protective dome. Doesn't matter whether the planet's flat or sphere, it's still there. So it's time to get woke. Get woke. Science. Yeah? Science. Religion. Your firmament is all of that we've been destroying. I did say it was a bit of a serious one, but I fully clicked it today. And it's time to get woke. We have destroyed the firmament that God constructed for us to protect this planet in the first place. From the heavens. Well, from the waters of heavens, in other words, them harmful UV rays, all the extra water that's being pulled out of all the Earth's water bodies into the air, all to come down in one massive flood like in the Neomorph wars, and also rising sea levels thanks to the polar ice caps melting. And there's biblical implications for that as well. As I'm sure you're all, well, by now, well, check it out in the Bible. Think about stuff like blood rain, the sand from the Sahara Desert with all the high pressure, blood rain. The polar ice caps will change the salinity, so the salt content of all the sea and freshwater bodies, and also temperature, which means a lot of fish are going to be killed off. The waters will run salty, like it says in the Bible. And that's all thanks to ManBearPig In other words, us. Destroying God's firmament that he constructed around this planet to protect us. Well, thanks for watching, and I'm sorry if that's hitting nerve reviews, but I've just learnt this properly myself. Right there in the Bible, right there in scientific fact. Thanks for watching.